Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can perform deep research using Gemini. So Gemini is one of the best tools to do deep research where it creates a perfect research plan and then also gives you a great research by analyzing various contents and resources throughout the web and the media as well. So let me show you how you can start a research in Gemini. So in order to start a research, you'll need to first click onto this new chat option and here you can type in the prompt. But before that, make sure that you click onto the tools option and then from here click onto this third option, that is deep research. Now from here you can determine what you want to research and what would be the sources if any. So current sources, the sources include Google Search, Gmail, Drive, and Chat. So it is recommended that you keep it to search. So that means the Google search. Apart from that, if you have any files related to the research that you would like, you can simply upload them using this files upload button, and then here you can type in the research. So for example, I will type in a research topic and then I can also specify the Gemini model as well. So I'm going with Pro as it gives the best response, although it can take significant greater amount of time in order to produce results, but the results are consistent and much better than the other options. Now it says that it has generated a plan, as you can see right here. So it has generated a plan to tackle the particular topic and we can let it know if we would like to make some changes. So this is the plan that Gemini has created, which you can read right here. If you want to edit the plan, you can click onto this edit plan option, and from here you can determine the changes that you would like. If everything is right, you can simply type in go ahead with this plan or start the research or whatever you prefer. And now it says that Gemini is again generating the correct research plan as it thinks that I have corrected something. Then after generating the research plan, you can see that the research paper is starting to appear right here as an artifact. So now after this is completed, you can read the research paper and make improvements upon the same if you would like. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.